let's go ahead and do our corn. You notice I've peeled this back, but I haven't taken it off. This is a cool little trick. Let's grab a little bit of this really melty butter. Just slather that on. Just use regular salt and pepper if you like. You're gonna fold these back. Now see how it's still showing on either side? So you're gonna cook it on this side and this side. Let's put this out here. Take that off. Stick your thumbnail in there. Push like that. You can tell if it's gonna come off like that, you're ready to go. One big twist. Over the shoulder. Don't be shy with butter. Back in the center.